very complex. I guess I wish you had more time for you, because it's a complicated decomposition model. The floor is open. Any questions? Question? No? Thomas, you have a question?
Can I get the mic?
Yeah.
Your presentation showed persistent differences in fertility between Malay and between Chinese population in Singapore. What is the main reason behind that? Is it different education attainment, different social status of these two populations? Is it different norms and values of these two populations, or is it something else?
Maybe everything is affected by differentials. There are not detailed data, so I couldn't show the detailed analysis. But one thing I could mention is the education attainment level. It used to be the case that Malays, in general, less educated compared to Chinese, but the things are very quickly changing after late 1990 to 2000. Malays is now getting highly educated. I mean, in general, the level of the education is less than the Chinese, but change is very quite quick to catch up.
Here you go. Two mics.
Thank you very much for, it's a very complicated method, but it's an interesting result. I have two questions, two questions. One is the fertility of the Indian population. How does that compare to the Malays and the Chinese? Just out of interest. And the second is the government trying to target any kind of composition, relative composition of the ethnic groups within the population? And if it is, it would seem to me that it's probably a lot easier to manage that with migration policy rather than with fertility policy, given how difficult it is to persuade people to have a certain number of children, even in Singapore, where the population tends to be quite obedient in some ways to government dictates.
Thank you very much for the great questions. For the first one, Indians here, I didn't show in the graph, but it quite looks similar as the Chinese one. The level is almost same, and the change after it's like just about 1.8 in 1990, and it decreased as Chinese one did. And the second question, I think recently Singapore government put exact policy measures about migration, and because as you see in the figure, Malay's fertility is higher than the Chinese, so that means more Malay babies are born to the Singapore, which will changes the ethnic composition of population. So if the Singapore government try to maintain the ethnic composition of the ethnic groups, they try to get more Chinese immigrants. That we saw in the data for long period.
Is there intermarriage between the Malay group and the Chinese?
Yeah, that's increasingly important recently. In historically, Malays comparing to Chinese more got inter-ethnic marriage all over the period. But recently it's changing. Malays are used to get married with Indian populations, but after 2000, Malays women likely to get married with Chinese. That could be affect those changes for the fertility.
Thank you. Any other questions? No? Then I think we can thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you.